Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to insert more rows in Google Sheets using a shortcut key. Click on any row number to highlight the row where you want to insert more rows. Then, for Windows, press Ctrl, Alt, and equal sign on your keyboard simultaneously. This inserts one row above the selected row. If this is your first time to use this shortcut, a pop-up dialog box will appear which will show keyboard shortcuts. It will ask you to enable compatible spreadsheet shortcuts, which you can do by clicking the slider-looking button at the bottom of the dialog box. However, you can use the shortcut key I said without enabling this option since the shortcut we used is acceptable by default. If you want to add multiple rows, first, click and drag along row numbers to select the same number of existing rows as the number you want to insert. Then, use the same shortcut key, Ctrl, Alt, and equals on your keyboard to add them all at once. So, that is how you insert more rows in Google Sheets using a shortcut key. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.